Beauty is nectar which intoxicates the soul. I heard these words long time ago, but is it really true? Hello everyone, I am Aditya and today we are going to see some most beautiful livings which are deadly. So let's start. Everyone once in their childhood tries to catch the butterfly. No one thinks those cute and colorful creatures can be poisonous. But African giant swallowtail butterfly are poisonous. Their scientific name is Papilio antimachus, and this butterfly got its name giant butterfly because it have wingspan of 8 to 9 inches. They carries poison called cardinaloid and it is dangerous for human heart. White snake root plant was responsible for the death of Abraham Lincoln's mother Nancy Hank. It is a North American herb with white flower and contains toxic alcohol. Nancy Hank was poisoned by simply drinking the milk of a cow who had gazed on the plant. Symptoms after taking this is loss of appetite, nausea, weakness, abdominal discomfort, abnormal acidity of blood and death. Luckily, farmers are now aware of this and make effort to remove this plant from animal pasture. Pond snail is slow moving creature which can capture faster moving creature by the help of harpoon teeth. Their harpoon can be launched by a quick muscular contraction. Their venom are strong enough to kill a human. Oleander is a beautiful plant known for its striking pink colored flower. It is also known as Nerium, commonly grown as hedge and ornamental. All part of this plant, including its flower, is deadly and contain lethal toxic known as oleandrinine as cardiac glycoside. If eaten, it can cause vomiting, diarrhea, erratic pulse, coma and death. And if it touched your skin, it can cause irritation. Don't go on looks or size of this fish. This creature achieved the glory to be called one of the world's most poisonous creatures of water. This box jellyfish is also known as sea wasp, is more responsible for human death on the continent of Australia than snake, shark and saltwater crocodile put together. Encountered people have been known to go in shock and drown or die of heart attack. If you are lucky enough to receive the antidote, you can experience pain for weeks. Poison dart frog is a group of the most brightly colored frog in the world. This frog lives in the wet tropical forest in Central South America. Besides colorful skin, their skin secretes toxin. Golden poison frog is the most deadliest frog of this species. This 5 cm creature has enough poison to kill 10 grown men. Some species of pufferfish contain spines on their skin to ward off their predators, but almost all pufferfish contains tetraditoxin, a substance that makes the foul tasting to other fish. But for human, tetraditoxin is deadly as it is 1200 times more poisonous than cyanide. There is enough toxin in one pufferfish to kill 30 adult humans, and the biggest problem is there is no antidote for this poison. Blue-ringed octopus is regarded as world's most deadliest animal. It lives in the tidal region ranging from Australia to Japan. If provoked or stepped on it, it will bite. Blue-ringed octopus poison have no antidote and can kill an adult within a minute. Tobacco plant bear large leaves that are concentrated source of nicotine and cannabinoids. It is most widely grown commercial plant in the world. It is used in cigarettes, cigar and snuff, in addictive drugs. When it is taken in large doses, nicotine is a highly toxic poison that causes vomiting, nausea, headaches, stomach pain, and in severe cases paralysis and death. Tobacco use causes number of health problems including cancer and is responsible for death of 5 million per year. That makes this plant most deadliest in the world. Are you surprised? But unfortunately this is true. Human is only evil animal. Don't believe me? Then turn the history books. The human is only animal ever known to be capable of revenge, hatred or sadism, and we kill for every reason. All other animals fight, but only human wage war. With total estimated death from war only is 150 million to 1 billion. We are the only species that has ever existed on Earth to have elimination of entire species, and we are always getting better at it. We are dangerous to other animals and we are the reason for global warming. Because of us, many other species extincted or on the door of extinction. We often act irrationally and have capacity to destroy our entire planet with a host of horrifying weapons like nuclear and genetically modified superbugs. Development is good, but at what cost? Our Earth is dying not because of other animal or dangerous creature, but because of us. God has given us power of imagination and a brain to make that imagination real. And friend, with great power comes great responsibilities. So it's our responsibility to leave the path of destruction and help to cure the problems of dying Earth. That's all for now. This is my first video. Give a thumbs up if you like this video, and if I forgot something or you want to suggest anything, please write down in comment. Be sure to subscribe for more interesting updates.